The many benefits of essential oils. Aromatherapy massage relieves pain, promotes mental health, boosts well-being, lowers blood pressure, helps rid the body of toxins, relieves stress. Aromatherapy improves your sleep experience, generates feelings of relaxation, manages stress, anxiety, and depression, provides pain relief. Argan oil infuses moisture into dry skin or dry hair. Basil essential oil helps calm anxiety. Grapefruit oil is famously known in aromatherapy for helping headaches, depression, and may contribute to appetite suppression. Chamomile essential oils heal from within by helping you to relax and calm your mind. Chamomile also has powerful antioxidant properties and alleviates PMS cramps and back pain. Pine essential oil has a powerful scent that helps boost energy and mood and alleviate stress. Bergamot essential oil has a rich history in antidepressant use and as an insomnia treatment. Black pepper oil may help to lower cholesterol, improve circulation, and relieve aches and pains. Pomegranate seed oil contains antioxidants which are useful for skincare. Lavender essential oil is widely recognized for its ability to promote relaxation and improve sleep. Cedarwood essential oil acts as a natural sedative and can reduce feelings of anxiety. Clary sage is a favorite essential oil that is commonly used for menopausal hot flashes, PMS symptoms, and improving mood. Eucalyptus essential oil is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial. Its health benefits are numerous and include wound healing, sinus pain relief, nasal congestion, itchy scalp, and cavity prevention. Frankincense oil boosts immunity, cures a cough, and revitalizes skin. Geranium essential oil delivers radiant, healthy skin, helps to balance hormones, and relieve mild anxiety and depression. Hyssop essential oil helps to provide respiratory relief. It clears the lungs and aids in the treatment of respiratory infections. Lemongrass essential oils is ideal for aromatherapy to promote rest and relaxation. Lime essential oils soothes insect bites, enhances your immune system, supports weight loss, and helps sore throats and cellulite. Tea tree essential oil is useful for cuts, scrapes, insect bites, and dandruff. Rose essential oil has antidepressant, laxative, aphrodisiac, and astringent properties. Sweet birch essential oil is useful for treating arthritis pain and any joint pain. Wintergreen essential oil has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It alleviates pain and reduces swelling. Ylang ylang essential oil generates feelings of euphoria. It helps to relax the body, and studies demonstrate that this oil increases self-esteem and feelings of well-being. Marjoram essential oil improves blood circulation and reduces muscle stiffness. Cinnamon essential oil has antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties. Clove oil provides relief for toothaches, bruises, wounds, and burns. Rosemary essential oil stimulates hair growth, boosts mental activity, relieves respiratory problems, and reduces pain.